Oxford is one of the most desirable cities in the world, but if you're looking at property in Headington, you're walking into a minefield. From 100-year-old solid walls that leak heat to hidden damp caused by rising pavements, buying here without an inspection could cost you £50,000 in the first year. Today, I'm taking you on a surveyor's walk through Headington to show you exactly what to look for and why this neighborhood is more than just a famous shark on a roof. Let's get started. We're starting here on Kennett Road. Look closely at these bricks. See these short ends? This is a solid wall. In the early 19th century, there was no cavity, no insulation, just 9 inches of brick between you and the Oxford winter. Stick around, because in a few minutes, I'll show you a modern new build nearby so you can see the massive difference in how your heat stays inside. Now, look at this. This is what we call bridging. Over a century, the council has repaved this road so many times that the ground level is now higher than the house's damp-proof course. See that air brick? It's half buried. That means every time it rains in Oxford, this house is literally drinking water. If you see peeling wallpaper inside a terrace like this, now you know why. You can't talk about Headington without the shark. It was installed in 1986 as a protest against nuclear power, but today it's the symbol of the area's quirky character. People pay a premium to live on these historic streets, but is the character worth the maintenance? Compare this to what we just saw. Notice there are no short bricks here. This is a modern cavity wall. It's wrapped in high-performance insulation. No damp bridging, no heat loss, and these weep holes let the building breathe. It's the safe choice, but does it have the soul of a Victorian terrace? That's the Oxford dilemma. So, is Headington the right move for you? You've got the world-class hospitals, the 24/7 Oxford Tube link to London, and some of the best parks in the city. But if you're buying old, you must budget for the solid wall reality. Oxford is a city of layers. Make sure you know what's under yours. If you found this manual helpful, Hit subscribe for my next inspection tour. Which Oxford neighborhood should I reveal next? Let me know in the comments. Watch till the end to see another Oxford shark. Thanks for watching.